Hi everyone, welcome to Earrings by Angela, and this is Angela speaking to you. Hey boos. Welcome to our It's a Zen Thang series. We don't say it's a Zen thing, we say thang because we got to get sassy with it. When you trying to find more calm in your life, you got to be a little sassy and have a little attitude with it. Like, woosah. You're going to find that harmony and that balance. So that's why we say it's a Zen thing with an attitude, y'all. Today we're going to talk about cuddling. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite thing to do. I love to cuddle, and it makes me feel so warm and protected and loved. Oh, I love to cuddle so much. You guys, it's a way of just being. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't have that special person to cuddle with, you can cuddle with your pets, you can cuddle with your children. Oh, okay, if you don't have either or, you can cuddle with your pillow. Nothing wrong with that. They actually selling a pillow that is meant for ladies to cuddle with? I think someone told me about that. Now I have not checked into it, so if it's something that's, I'm just gonna leave that right there. I'm trying to think now where I get my information from. So it might. Okay, well, anyway, let's move on. But because I'm like, wait, who told me that? Should I be repeating that? I have the most interesting conversations, y'all. But anyway, so cuddling. Oh my gosh, it's such uh, a non-expressive form of love, you guys. I love. I seriously love when my grandchildren love to come and cuddle with me. Even what you guys are not on my Facebook, but when my niece came to visit for the summer, she's 13 and she's taller than me now. She was so happy about that. But you always think that when the children get older, you're like, oh, they too cool for that. No, no. She will find you and cuddle with you. I don't care if she's just you can be on the couch and she will come up and cuddle with you. Now I put a picture of her. That's Miley, you guys. So she's over our Miley and Me collection for the kids line. I'm gonna have to change it to pre-teen now, right? I mean to teenage line now, but she's yeah. But I had a picture of her. I'm laying on the floor because I love to be on the floor. You guys, laying across the carpet. And next thing you know, her tall butt is climbing on my back, trying to cuddle, you know. And we thought it was funny, so we took photos of it. But that's priceless because it's a nonverbal way of showing love, right? So I love to cuddle with my niece. I love to cuddle with the babies. And when you have that special one, you love to cuddle as well. And it's just so amazing. I love when I don't have a pet anymore. They're all gone. Rest in peace, all of y'all. All of y'all. I'm talking about the hamsters, the guinea pigs, the parakeets, the bunnies, the cat that I had, the dog I had years ago. I'm talking about every pet I ever owned. Rest in peace, y'all. Brought me a lot of joy. But I love going over by my friend's house because he has a dog. And I love that when I come in, he jumps up to greet me because he know he getting a treat as soon as I get in there. I don't care if you did something naughty or not. I'm giving you a treat. But I love when he comes to rest on my lap. Now I don't like when he tries to kiss me in my face because I didn't consent to that. Y'all so crazy. But it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. So if you have not cuddled in a while, do it. It's it's a definite way to show love towards someone or something, right? It's just a great feeling. So that's all I wanted to say about that cuddling today. 'Cause I'm gonna find. Nope, I'll be cuddling with my grandson tomorrow. I had them on another day, and I got to cuddle with the baby because he wouldn't go to sleep. But it was also a precious moment because I love looking into his eyes, letting him grab my finger. He's 4 months. No, oh, okay. Well, I don't remember how old he is because now I got to look at the calendar. It's bad, y'all. Time just goes. Time doesn't exist for me. I just feel like I'm getting up. But make sure that you subscribe to this channel and become part of the EBA family, and invite your friends to join into the conversation by sharing the video. If this video has resonated with you because you are a cuddler, because some people don't like to cuddle, um, then like this video. In the comments, tell us, do you cuddle or do you not cuddle? And if you do cuddle, who do you cuddle with? If you do not cuddle, what's keeping you from cuddling? I'm nosy, y'all. I want to know. But it's a Zen thing, y'all, and that's how we roll. So I will see you in the next episode. Peace and blessings to you all.